Welcome back to QandA. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel if you haven't did yet, and also press the bell icon. Let us begin our today's video. Today's video is BTS notebook. So first we take a sheet. So I had waist sheets. I took that only. Okay, so you have to fold like this, and you have to cut out the extra. But you saw I did only. Okay, and then you have to fold it, and you will get like this type of lines, and then you have to cut them out. Okay, and I have some more extra sheets. So means waist sheet, so I will do with them also. Will see the size and I will do. You could see I'm doing them only. So when I was folding it at the first, you saw I was cutting. Okay, that was because I have used this sheet and they were waist, as I told you. So waist, so they were not of the right side, so that's why I cut them and make it the sides equal. Okay, so yeah guys, it is my day 3 of BTS craft challenge. At day 1 I did BTS necklace, and day 2 I did BTS badge. So if you haven't seen those videos, you can check them out after this video. The links are there in the description box. Okay, and I've created some playlists also. If you haven't seen them, no problem, you can check them out after this video only. So yeah, I'm folding them as you could see now only. Okay, so guys, like this way only I'm going to fold them all of them one by one. Okay, so yeah, you could see I've completed them. Now I'm going to stick them. So I'm taking glue. So homemade glue link is in the description box. So you could see I will give glue in the middle. Now I will stick like that one by one. Okay, one by one. And guys, I have recreated twin tag Aisha Feroz paper doll also. If you haven't seen that video also, guys, you can check it out. The link is there in the description box. Okay, so yeah, let's stick this and let's continue. So I'm going to finish them soon. So yes, I have took light green color sheet. You can take white also or any other color. So guys, now I'm cutting the sides, making them equal once again, because I saw that they were not equal. So as in the cover, I've been drawing the logo of BTS, because this is a BTS notebook. Okay, so yeah, let's do this, and after that I will show you how it look. And yeah guys, I'm using blue ink pen. Okay, you can use black ink pen or sketch pen or crayon or color pencil, and then at the last of write BTS. So guys, here our diary is not diary, notebook is very BTS notebook. So you could see, let us write something. Hello Craftastics. Okay, so good, right? And next page also, let's see, let's write something. What will we write? Yeah, let's write homemade BTS notebook. Okay, so yeah guys, this is today's our video. And so guys, now on the screen, as you could see, this diary. Okay, not diary, well, I'm saying diary all the time. BTS notebook. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your help and support. Please subscribe, like, share and comment if you haven't did it yet. And if you haven't watched these videos yet, then you can check them out. So that's it for today. Bye.